Hi you guys, today we are at Payengxa's welcoming party. She's right over here. We're working our way up to her. Let me zoom up on her so you guys can see her. Hello you guys, so today I am at Fresno Fairgrounds and I am here to support our Hmong sister Payengxa. She is they're doing a little welcome party for her, so I'm here to support that. Let me zoom up on her so you guys can see her. There is she between all of these people. Here are the food. They have like Isan food, Southeast Asia food. This is the little menu. These are free food here at the event. Layer cake. Desserts. Oh, those are my favorites. My food. The food that we ate, well, that I showed you guys, those were snacks. So we are going to go get the dinner food. So it's on this side. I'll show you guys, flip the camera. And I think there's two lines. That's where the dinners are. Okay, you guys, when we get closer, I'll show you guys. Okay, y'all, I'm closer, zooming up to the food for y'all. Hot enough. for toasting.
Laos. He is also the director for Hmong Women Network, located in Laos. The organization exists to promote Hmong women empowerment and to advocate for access to quality education. She is inspired to open a school in Laos focused on the English language and plans to start fundraising for this initiative upon completion of her contract with the Miss Universe Laos organization.
Payengxa is currently starting social enterprises to help raise funds to support her different causes, where she hopes to donate 50% of all of her different nonprofit initiatives. She continues to inspire us on a global level, and I'm sure with all of you. Please help us welcome this phenomenal woman who represented the global Hmong people so well, Payengxa Lor. 非常的欢迎在场Payengxa Lor。
Nhớ trong tâm em sẽ lên cho tụi đi trong gì à? Thì lúc nào anh về which I could be found back before speech but I'm gonna speak from the bottom of my heart. I wanna say thank you so much to Dr. Vicky who hosts this event. Because of her, this event happened. And I want to say thank you to all the elder advisors who helped organize this event. And I want to say thank you to all of you who come here and join this event. I apologize if I didn't say all of your names. For my speech today, I want to say that Last moment, I was saying that all the hard work that I have done, have seen. It doesn't mean that you will be seen all the time. Sometimes you felt like you work really hard and nobody sees it. Sometimes you feel like you want to give up. You feel like you cannot do it. You feel like it's so far. You feel like it's impossible. But I want to say that keep doing it even nobody sees. Keep doing great things even nobody knows. As long as you feel good, as long as you know what you are doing, so that's what's important to you. And when you do that, one day people will see. Like what I did. When I was young, I grew up as a poor girl. I felt like I have no opportunity. I felt like nobody sees me. Because I grew up like a Hmong girl, I feel like sometimes there's a lot of discrimination. I felt like I didn't fit in. I felt like I'm somebody who have no name, somebody who nobody cares. So I tried to find the answer. What am I living for? And why I'm here? Like I am born for what? I should have a purpose. I should be born for something. And at that time, I felt like I am a special person. I always feel that. And then I was trying to find like how and what. So my dad, at that time, I was 8 years old, and I asked my dad, I asked my father, Dad, why you always tell me go to school? I don't even see it change my life. And then my dad said, it will change your life. Education is the only way that will help you erase poverty. So I was like, oh, how? I was like, still have the question like, how how can it raise poverty? Education, I feel like I go to school, I read books, and that's it. And I started to ask like, I can't even earn money and make money yet. So at that time, I wonder about that question a lot, and I was like very lazy. I don't want to go to school anymore, and my dad punished me. I told my dad that I don't want to go to school no more. Can I not go to school? And then he was so disappointed when I said that, and then he said, okay, fine. If you don't want to go to school, then I will never let you go to school again. And the morning, my dad, I don't know how to say that in English. Because he had a phone line, the mùi giật số rễ because that time, tất cả rừng xe lộ thì tất cả biết lưu restroom. So like with your brother, my sister, they went to school. So it's still only me who stay in the house, and then my dad say, mùi giật số rễ to your restroom. And then I was like, okay, I feel like, oh, I don't have to go to school no more. I feel like I'm free now. But then from the feeling there's a short attention to put it over the that oh, from the show, you would check out that your CRGS, rồi gần tới mà trong cái dài của anh chị tao cũng chỉ nhớ được trong ngày nhiều thế gì một quần nhiều thế gì một hai nhà chỉ sáng gần tới là nãy giờ về chỉ thế gì là cả một thọ của chị hay nè thì của thọ chị của em gần tới chỉ sáng của giờ số giấy là về chỉ thế gì clear belief a very important lesson that when you don't have education it's very hard for you to live your life because in our life, I figure out that we are selling. If you don't sell our knowledge, then we sell our products. If you don't sell products, then we sell our. You had it down and you mua được khỏi ra cho này ạ. Thì để you bây giờ sơ chế.
Great.
To you work for others. So I feel like the only way to help you to get rich or wealthy is only sell things. So I found out that if I don't have education, how can I do something, give something, and help others? So theo kiểu như thế nhá, chỉ có education thì với sự luôn rất là sĩ và have education, I will use like only you put down cho mày ạ, quá là mình cài là hai định nạn. Vì you put down cho you want to go to school, you will always work for others, your whole life. So I don't want to be like that. I want to be someone who makes a difference. I want to be someone who can help others. I want to be someone not just successful, but someone who can go beyond that, someone who can do something more about the community. So the first time I started to know that I want to do things for others is because that when I have nothing, when people help me, when people give me something, I felt very special and I felt very happy, and I want to share that feelings with others as well. So, and when I was a kid, I felt like sometimes, like I said, I feel like I didn't fit in. I feel like I never seen by others. So that's why I want to make sure that every kid, they're helped, they're loved, they're fitting, and they're special. So that I started to do the non-profit organization, helping people, so that when I go to the rural area, I kind of see life there. It's very sad and it's very poor. So I was there before, and I want to help them. I want to help them to see that you can grow out of the conditional that you will grow up in. It doesn't mean that you are born like this and that you have to accept it. You can be someone you want to be. You can be where you want to be. You just have to believe in yourself, work hard. And one thing is that when I was a little kid, what I think in my head is like grow up, get married, work in a field, in a farm, and that's it. Because that's the only thing that I see when I was like young. Because when we was young, we lived in a site long time. So everywhere is mountain, farm. That's it. That's only what I see, and there's no cars. So, but when my dad moved us to Vientiane, it's a big city. I see road, I see people, I see building, I see lots of activity, I see cars. I started to change my mind that in our world there's so much things that I haven't known. So I started to curious and learn lots of things, and that is the start of education. So education is not about only go to school, okay, read book, go to school, sitting in the class, but it's all about learning who you are, learning what you want, learning what you really know how to do, and then embrace it, work hard on it. It's about learning how can you do something. If I want to be an engineer, I need to learn, educate myself about those things. If I want to be a teacher, then I need to learn how to be a teacher and how can I get there. So that is education about me. So the purpose of saying this today is that our elder is the example. The best thing that we can do to help the young generation is to be example, to help them to see where they want to go and where they want to be. Because if there's no role model, if there's no example, then we will never know who we want to be. If I never see beauty pageant, I would never know I want to be beauty pageant. If I never see a doctor, then I would never know how to be a doctor. So our elders support the kids. I know that in America, you guys are so supportive, very supportive, but we have sent a message now to those who need your love, biết chẳng mong phải xuất thân, cho những giống như nói của quân thầy, của không thầy sư, của xuất thân nên của quân dân nên của sản phẩm đánh nhau họ so that I can protect her. I don't want her to do something like very big because I want to protect her. I know that của quá nhiều tiền cũng không phải là thật như giống như nhỏ nè. Đó là phần lớn nhiều quan trọng. Mỗi người nhỏ tại hoàn dream chúa trẻ. Mỗi người ta kể quan số, người ta kể trên những cái chúa trẻ. So for example, whatever our kids want to do, support them, help them, educate them, so that they can see. And one day they will know that they want to do it or not. Because a lot of times when kids say that, oh, I'm a football player, for example, and then you're kind of like, oh, I don't think it will work. You don't believe in your child that they will be a football player. Something like that, and they say, oh, instead of being a football player, I think you can be a doctor or a lawyer. But then you do what they believe on the dream coming in. So whatever they want to be, to support them, help educate them, find resources for them. So that's the best that our elder can do. Instead of saying that I don't think you can do it, I think you can do something else. I think you should do something different. So that is the message that I want to give to all of you guys today. Education is something that's very important because every successful people are educated. They have knowledge. So that's what I always say. Education is very important because it will help you to get where you want to be. And education will help you to have the life that you want to live. Okay, phần đấy là có xã hội lớn nữa, so lastly của xã hội công mong rồi cái sau đây sẽ phụ chuẩn chỉ tất cả nó phải nhớ rằng I wish you all healthy, wealthy, and successful in life. Thank you so much.
Okay, you guys, I am out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.